She sure is noisy for trying to eat.
Whoa! Pop, ooh, they're all...
Whoa! Oh, I'm glad you woke me up. Hey, I've got a question for you. Do you remember how many Ew! She hit me with that dead fish! Helicopter's gonna crash! Oh no! Excuse me? Miss Pterodactyl, can we please save the helicopter? Whoa! Unstable! We're turning around again! Where are we going? Whoa!
Between the fries and the macaroni, I don't know, I love them both! Let's say French fries.
Stay awesome, Cookie! On to me! It's too far of a fall! 3. Oh! Whoa! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
Cookie Swirl?
Eggs, 3, 4, or 5 eggs. Do you remember? Bye, Cookie Fan.
Drawings, I love these so much. Ooh, which one is your favorite?
Whoa! Down! I hope that
Oh, unstable!
Oh no, that hell! She's being so noisy. She's got a fish in her mouth. Let's go up there, please.
Whoa, mayday, mayday!
Look, she was just trying to protect her egg nest.
Huh?
Can't a banana get some sleep in this tree? Oh, I think she's coming in for a landing in her nest. Whoa!
Whoa! A banana?
Don't worry, our helicopter's not chasing that pterodactyl.
Whoa! I had no idea.
I'm happy you're safe. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta split. Well, we're going pretty high in the sky. This is her nest. Aw, she's got 3 eggs in her nest. She wants to eat her fish and... See? Eggs were in the pterodactyl's nest. Did she have 2 eggs sit on her nest? Huh? Uh-oh. No problem.
The pterodactyl was trying to attack me.
Let me go, let me go! Huh? Actually, never mind. Keep hanging on. Yep, she'll do anything to protect her nest.
Mayday, mayday! No, no!
You enjoyed this video?
You want to know what I'm enjoying?
Yeah, your super duper sweet fan mail
Favorite. A cupcake, a donut, a lollipop.
Bird, keep it down. Fly you down to safety. No! Or macaroni.
Oh, I love them. I love everything. It's hard.
Oh, hi there, Cookie Fans. Whoa, easy now. Easy.
Oh, I'm gonna have to circle back. I missed. So good. I love them all.
Ellie wants to be with her eggs. I better get out of this nest right now.
Whoa! Fans. A donut, probably. Which is your favorite?
Let's see. Out of fry?
I can't seem to get control.
What was that? And why is she flying so close to the tree? Uh-oh. She probably... Please, a hamburger. Whoa. Yay, Cookie Fans! I hope...
Oh, we're going down. We're gonna go down.
Where are we going? Oh, where are we going? I'm trying to sleep. What's going on, huh? What? Why is...
Shopkins, you saved me. You saved me.
I got you now. get a bunch of sleep.
I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. Easy getting fame these days, since you do not need any talent. People try to take me down, but too bad there ain't no repellent. Divide myself, count by 10, it'll get the IQ of all my viewers. Of all my viewers who are too retarded to watch real YouTubers. My vids contain of adding a little fucking cam screen, which 10-year-olds enjoy cause they don't have their own opinion. They're stupid and my minions got me over 1 million. This is the age of YouTube, no talent equals millions. Getting paid, get paid for nothing. If you're watching this right now, just turn on your cam. All you need is a fake smile to get them views and get all this money. Thank God that the world's retarded. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. It's so amazing you can grow up people's content. Lazy life, I got it like this my fucking job, bitch. Resume on fleek, on your salary in 1 week, cunt. And it's not only me, cunt. No, there's 100 more cunts. Yeah, all I do is lay back, react to trending topics. Still I'm the trending topic. Then react to my own vids and get 1 million more hits. Thank the Lord I got rich by all these stupid kids. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react